Hello everyone, class 12th NCERT solution by Mahesh Bhardwaj, chapter 2 solution. Today we will solve in-text unsolved question, that is question number 2.2 from NCERT book. The question is, calculate the mole fraction of benzene in solution containing 30% by mass in carbon tetrachloride. Answer. When we proceed to the answer, the percentage is given. That is why we consider total mass of the solution is 100 gram like this. Let the total mass of the solution be 100 gram. The mass of benzene is 30. Why we consider 30? Because it is given 30%. It is given. Okay. Now, mass of carbon tetrachloride is, we subtract the mass of benzene from the total mass of the solution. 100 is the total mass of the solution and 30 is the mass of benzene. Thus, value comes to be 70 grams. This 70 gram is the mass of CCl4. Okay. Now, first we will discuss molar mass of benzene. As you know, formula is C6H6. So there are 6 atoms of carbon. Carbon have atomic mass 12. There are 6 atoms of hydrogen. The atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Okay. The value comes to be 78 gram per mole. Okay. Now we will calculate the number of moles of benzene. 30 is the mass of benzene. 78 is the molar mass of benzene. You know the formula, weight upon molar mass is equal to number of moles. So here value comes to be 0.3846 mole. This is the value of number of moles of benzene. Now, molar mass of carbon tetrachloride is, here 1 carbon atom, and mass of carbon atom is 12. Here are 4 chlorine atom, and mass of each chlorine atom is 35.5. When we calculate, the value comes to be 154. Okay. Now, so number of moles of CCl4, again we will put the same formula, that is weight upon molar mass. Weight we calculated it, that is 70 gram, and molar mass is 154. Okay. Now the value comes to be 0.4545 mole. Okay. Now, thus the mole fraction of C6H6 is given as, we will write the formula like this, that is number of moles of benzene divided by number of moles of benzene plus number of moles of CCl4. This is the formula of mole fraction. So we will put the value 0.3846 is the value of number of moles of benzene. 0.3846 plus 0.4545 is the number of moles of CCl4. When we solve it, the value comes to be 0.458. This is the mole fraction of C6H6, that is known as benzene. I hope you are able to understand this video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.